Hashtags have transformed the way in which we produce, share and discover content across social media. And as you may be aware, LinkedIn is now actively encouraging both users and company pages to include hashtags across their posts in order to aid discovery and engagement. But how should you be using hashtags on LinkedIn? First of all, I recommend carrying out hashtag research, where you look at the hashtags that all your key influencers and target audiences are using across LinkedIn and also the content that they're using to share them with. Once you've compiled a list of commonly used hashtags, I recommend using an analysis tool such as Hashtagify or RightTag, and these help you analyse how popular these hashtags actually are on LinkedIn and across various different social media platforms, and also hashtags related to them. When it comes to creating a LinkedIn post, I actually recommend ignoring LinkedIn suggestions that appear towards the bottom of a post, as these, in my opinion, are rather generic, certainly for some of the clients and topics that we cover here at Blue Sky PR, and instead go with the insights that you've gained from your analysis and use them instead. These should be a mix of highly relevant terms that are contained within the content that you're sharing, such as an article or a blog post, but also wider search terms, for example the industry that you work in. Having this mix and blend approach really ensures that your content is found and discovered by a wider pool of people. You should also type your hashtags in camelcase, and this is where the first letter of each word in your hashtag are capitals. This just generally helps people who are skim reading their social media feeds so they can clearly see what hashtag it is. So for example, if the hashtag that you're using was recruitment marketing, then the R and the M would be capital letters.